on how you can make this images for free. On this video, I show you how to make this images for free. Open your browser and search bing.com. Click Images. Then click on Create. Here type the prompt. This prompt you get on description below. After writing prompt, click on Create button. Click Image to preview. If you need to download, click Download button. Let's change the country flag symbol. Click here to download and save in gallery. If you interested video like this, please write a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks.